What's up my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making this super cute Playboy bunny mix, so let's go ahead and get started. And don't forget, I will be adding the links to all of the products down below if I have them. Some of these products I've had for many years and I'm just now getting around to using them, such as like certain glitters and some of the Playboy bunnies. But I will do my best to go ahead and try to research and find some vendors for you girls and guys. The fun thing about glitter mixes are you can add as much as little or as much as you want. It's all up to you and how you want your glitter mix to look, whether you're using it with gel or acrylic, or even like PolyGel nails you can use it with, so it's really awesome. You can go ahead and customize all your own like creations, and I think it's really fun to do your own glitter mixes. And since I mainly do acrylics, I'm going to be doing this mix with acrylic powder, with clear acrylic powder, and a couple of different ones just to add more depth into like the mix. If you are using this for like gel or polygel, etc., you would just want to do it more of a raw glitter, so you're not going to add any acrylic powder in there. And that way when you're with your client or with you, your friend, whoever you're doing nails on, you would pull out the glitter, pull out your gel, and then just kind of mix it on a cute little palette or like a piece of like cardboard or something, and then apply it to the nail. Once you have your mix all mixed up and you're happy with how it looks, it has enough glitter, has enough bunnies, we're gonna go ahead and do a tester and test it out. And don't forget, for certain glitter mixes, like the chunkier ones that have like spangles and cute little things in them, you want to make sure you're patting it versus dragging it, because you're just going to drag all of the glitters and Mylar and Playboy bunnies off of the nail. And if you do, that's okay, because you can just go back to your paper towel and grab the pieces that you like and just kind of place them on there. And for chunkier glitters, as you see, you want to kind of place a bead down of the wet acrylic just to kind of get it to stick on right. Same goes for encapsulating. You want to make sure that you're patting and not dragging. You want to pat, then lightly feather down the bead. So once your nail is all encapsulated, we're gonna file and buff that, and now we're going to add our top coat. And once you apply your top coat on your tester, you're able to see if you want to add more colors, more of the pinks in there, more glitters, if you wanted to add more spangles or mylar. It's always bomb to do a tester nail so you know what you're working with. And as a little oomph, I went ahead and added some little hand-painted stars and some bling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed mixing it up with me, go ahead and leave a comment down below on what colors you would want to see next. I hope you guys subscribe. I love you guys. Stay safe. I hope you guys are having an amazing time at home. Love ya. Bye.